Hello guys, in this video I am testing Vizard AI from a small creator point of view. The main question is simple. Can a small YouTuber actually use Vizard AI on the free plan, or does the real limitation appear later at export? I am not looking at the feature list. I am checking practical things like credits, upload workflow, AI clips, captions, export access, and watermark behavior. This matters because many AI video tools look useful on the home page, but the real test is what happens after you upload a video and try to download the final result. The sign-up process was straightforward. I used the normal account sign-up flow and reached the Wizard AI workspace. For small creators, this first step matters because a tool should not make testing difficult. If the sign-up is simple, you can quickly check whether the tool fits your workspace before spending money. But sign-up alone does not prove the free plan is useful. The important part is what you can actually do after logging in. After logging in, the dashboard showed a free account state with credits available. This is where I pause and check the free plan reality. Credits matter because they decide how much testing you can do before hitting a limit. A tool may say it has a free plan, but if credits are too limited, the free plan may only be useful for a small test, not a repeatable workflow. So at this point, Wizard AI looks testable, but I still needed to check upload, clip creation, and export. Here Wizard AI shows the free credit offer. In my test, the free plan showed 60 credits. For small creators, this is useful because it gives you a way to test the workflow before paying. But credits are only one part of the decision. The bigger questions are, can you upload your video, generate clips, edit them, and download a usable result? That is why I do not judge a tool only by the number of credits. I check the full path from the upload to export. Next, I tested the upload workflow. In this test, MP upload work that is important because MP4 is one of the most common formats small creators use. If a tool accepts your video format and starts processing without friction, that is a good sign for beginner creators. But this is also where you should be careful. If your video format is not supported or if upload fails, the tool may create extra work before you even reach the editing stage. After upload, I reach the AI clip setup stage. This is where the tool starts becoming useful for repurposing. The goal is to turn a longer video into possible short clips, but I want to be clear. AI generated clips should be treated as candidates, not final outputs. AI can help find moments faster, but you still need to check whether the clip has a strong hook, enough context, correct captions, good framing, and a clean ending. Here is the generated clip result. I could see captions and reframing in the output. This is useful part of the tool like Wizard AI. They can help small creators move faster by creating a first version of a short clip. But this is also where the manual review matters. Before publishing, I would still check caption accuracy, whether the clip makes sense without the full video, whether the framing is correct, and whether the hook is strong for shorts or reels. My view is simple. Use AI for speed, but keep human review for quality. Now we come to the most important part, export and watermark. For small creators, this is often the real test of any AI video tool. A tool may let you upload, generate clips, preview the result, but the free plan is only truly useful if you can download something usable. In my Wizard AI test, I could reach the result and download stage, but watermark behavior was visible in the free workflow. That doesn't mean the tool is bad. It means small creators should check export and watermark before depending on the free plan. If you only need to test the workflow, the free plan can still be useful. But if you need clean client ready or brand ready videos, you should check the paid plan and watermark rules carefully. So my final verdict is this. Wizard AI is useful to test if you want a browser-based AI video repurposing workflow. The sign-up was simple. The free account showed credits, MP4 upload work, and the tool generated clips with captions and reframing. But the important small creator portion is export and watermark behavior. Before choosing any AI video tool, don't only check the feature list. Check these five things. Can you upload your video format? How many credits do you get? Are the generated clips actually useful? Can you download the final result? And does the final video include a watermark? For small creators, those practical checks matter more than marketing claims. I have also written a full Wizard AI review on Critical Creator Intel HQ where I cover the free plan, credits, watermark, export behavior, and who should use the or skip the tool. You can find the link in the description. Thanks for watching.